How to solve Real Racing 3. Please connect to a Wi-Fi network to download problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Real Racing 3 application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches while using the app. Next, what we need to do is we're going to go onto the settings of the device and then scroll down to find apps, then tap on manage apps, and here we're gonna go and search for the app. So I'm just gonna search for the app by scrolling Real Racing 3. Just tap on that. So here you can see the option of connection method, just Wi-Fi or mobile data. Make sure that you enable this option. After that, tap on OK and then go back and then tap on the settings again, and you can see the options of SIM cards and mobile networks. Just tap on that, then tap on your SIM card, and here you can see the option of access point names. Just tap on that and make sure to reset this option which is given at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on that. After that, tap on your power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.